Preparation before flight. Take the aircraft to an open space. Unfold the wing and install the battery. Frequency matching. Turn on the aircraft and the remote control. The remote control issue a beep sound. Then pull down the joystick and wait for 3 to 4 seconds. The remote control will issue 2 beep-beep sound. Then the frequency is successful. Compass calibration. Pull the rockers like this. The light will become flashing state after 1 second. The remote control issue a beep into the compass calibration state. Then hold the aircraft clockwise direction 3 laps slowly and turns clockwise 3 times downwards. Then wait for about 25 seconds. The light changes from flashing to long bright. When the remote control issue 5 beep sounds, the calibration is successful. Gyro level calibration. Push the throttle stick and joystick like this. After 1 second, the remote control will issue a beep sound. Then indicator light of the aircraft changes from bright to fast flashing, and then turns to constant light after 2 or 3 seconds. The remote control issued 5 beep sounds. Means the calibration is successful. GPS signal reception. The aircraft needs to operate in an open place when receiving GPS signals. After the completion of the frequency, the aircraft is searching for satellite signals. It will take 40 to 60 seconds. And the number of satellites on the remote display is flashing. When the star is successfully received, the remote control beeps is heard. And the number of satellites displayed on the remote control is always on. The light of the aircraft changes from blinking to long bright. At this time, GPS is connected and the aircraft can be used normally. Remote control operation. The maximum remote control distance of the remote control is 600 meters. When the aircraft exceeds 600 meters, the aircraft will stop in situ. And the remote control can only control the left and right rear direction and cannot continue moving forward. This button is the high and low speed button. Press to switch between high and low speed. This is the 1-key landing button, which can be lowered by 1 button with a long press of 5 seconds. Manual takeoff. When the pull the rockers like this or like this, the motor will start it. Push upward, the throttle layer is slowly, and then the aircraft takes off. Manual landing. Slowly push the throttle stick down until the aircraft has landed. After the aircraft reaches the ground, keep the lowest position for 2 seconds to stop the motor. Return function. Press the return button. The aircraft will start GPS positioning and return. Through the GPS positioning function, it realizes intelligent, low power, and lost connection. Follow function. Click the follow icon. The aircraft will automatically rotate the front of the mobile direction. The user moves. The aircraft will follow the mobile phone. And when pressed again, the mode will cancel. After canceled, the remote point will be reset in the canceled position. Surrounding. Click the surround icon and set the surround point parameter. After confirming, click Send. The aircraft will fly to the point set by the map. The front end of the aircraft is centered around the center point and flies. Trajectory flight. Click the waypoint icon and click to set the waypoint. Then you can draw any waypoint on the mobile phone. After confirming the waypoint, click Send. The aircraft first flies to the first point set, then according to the waypoint. Headless mode. When the headless mode button is pressed, the remote controller issues a beep sound. and enters the headless mode. You can simply control the aircraft according to the direction of the joystick. Press the button again and hear the beep sound as exiting the headless state. This button also has the GPS switch, turned off by 5 seconds, to turn off the GPS. After the GPS is turned off, you can fly indoors.